Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. Our Accessriskmanager comprises several submodules, including Identify Risk, Get Clean, Stay Clean, and Stay in Control. In this video, we'll be focusing on the Get Clean module. Assigning appropriate access to SAP users can be a significant challenge for many organizations. Due to SAP Authorisation Creep and the way access is assigned, over-allocation often occurs, putting the organization at the risk of fraud and unfavourable audit findings. Soterion's Get Clean module provides powerful risk remediation and role cleanup functionality to ensure SAP users have appropriate access. By analysing access assigned to SAP users and comparing it to actual usage, Soterion highlights areas for potential cleanup. This module also features several powerful cleanup wizards that your security team can use to perform specific tasks, such as changing SAP Composite roles or performing role splits on SAP single roles. A well-aligned SAP authorization solution provides users with appropriate access for their job function, resulting in several benefits for the organization. These include reducing access risk violations, which reduces the potential for fraud, as well as a reduction in audit findings. Additionally, less effort is required to complete compliance tasks, such as an SAP User Access review, and there is a reduction in the SAP security support effort. In summary, Soterion's Get Clean module provides organizations with a powerful tool to ensure appropriate access is assigned to SAP users, reducing access risk violations and streamlining compliance tasks, while also improving overall support efficiency. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.